Hey everyone, what's up, what's up? It is officially 2018 and this right here is my first video of the new year. Woo, 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 woo. Super excited. So this video is going to be super quick. I am coming on here because I just want to show you all my hair. My hair is overdue for a wash. The last time I retwisted was in September of 2017. The last time I washed it was in November of 2017. So I'm like overdue for everything. But like I said, this is going to be a super quick video just because I wanted to get a little up close and personal with you guys. And I want to show you all what my hair looks like. So first things first, my hair is super dry. I like saying the word super. You guys will realize. But my hair is extremely dry. My scalp, I feel like my scalp hurts. It's weird. Not like painful hurts, but it just doesn't feel right. My scalp, I'm sure it doesn't feel right because it's dry. I believe it's very flaky. And it's very like itchy. Like it itches like no one's business. So this is what my hair looks like. I'm just gonna try to get in as close as I possibly can so you all can see what it looks like. So this is like the front, the side, and then I'm gonna turn around. Hopefully you all can see this, but it just doesn't, yeah, it's just bad. Flaky. So let me come up in here so you guys can see my roots. And I hope you all can see that, but so my hair is very tangled. Especially like in this crown area. This area of my hair is very tightly coiled. And even as a loose natural, whenever I would detangle my hair, this area was always the hardest for me to detangle because it was so coily. So I find that when I'm retwisting my hair that this area is also the hardest for me to retwist because of the tangles. But I have a video coming out on that, just kind of talking about hair texture and just, you know, what that meant for me as a loose natural versus now as you know, someone who wears locks. But let me keep showing you guys what my 30 hair is looking like. Like, it's so bad. As I'm doing this, I have flakes falling onto my dress because that's how flaky my hair is. Okay. Like, it's impossible to see any of my parts. This is what my hairline is looking like. I'm gonna turn around and show you guys the back. Y'all tell me what y'all see, because I don't know that I'll be able to see anything. So as you all can see, my hair is definitely in some need of LOVE, and that is what I intend to do. So I'll probably just be like shampooing it. I'll probably do an oil treatment. Definitely a nice scalp massage because I need that. But yeah, just to restore some moisture back into my hair. My hair is just in need of a good wash. It just needs some love. So anyways, my locks are not perfect, and you know, definitely thought it was important for me to come on here and show you all what it looks like prior to being washed. So yeah, I will see you all in my next video. Thank you all for watching, and Happy New Year to you all.